In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a dotted line in Microsoft Word. This is perfect for separating sections, creating signature lines, or adding a visual break in your document without inserting a shape. We'll use Word's built-in border tools so the line sits exactly where you want it and stays aligned with your text. Start by placing your cursor precisely where you want the dotted line to appear. For a clean divider across your page, it's a good idea to click onto a new, empty line so the border applies to that paragraph only. With your cursor in place, go to the Home tab at the top of Word. In the paragraph group, look for the borders icon. Don't just click the icon itself, click the small arrow next to it to open more options. From the menu that opens, choose Borders and Shading. This brings up a dialog box that gives you full control over the line style. On the left, select Custom. Choosing Custom tells Word you want to decide exactly which side of the paragraph gets the border rather than putting a box around everything. Now look for the Style list and scroll until you find a dotted line you like. There are a few dotted options. Pick the one that matches the look you're after. If you'd like the dots to appear more prominent, you can adjust the width using the Width dropdown. This step is optional, but a slightly thicker width can make the dotted line easier to see, especially in printed documents. In the Preview area on the right, click the bottom border button. This applies your chosen dotted style only to the bottom edge of the paragraph at your cursor, which is what creates the dotted line across the page. Double-check the preview to make sure only the bottom edge is highlighted and the other sides are off. When everything looks right, click OK. You'll now see a dotted line appear exactly at your cursor position. Because it's a paragraph border, it stays aligned with your text and respects your margins and indent settings. If you placed it on an empty line, it will act as a clean divider between sections. If you don't see the line where you expect, make sure your cursor was in the correct paragraph and that bottom border was selected in the preview. That's all it takes to add a dotted line neatly and precisely using Word's border tools. It's fast, consistent, and easy to adjust later if you change your document's layout.